And I'm in another unfinished house again. It's not abandoned or anything, but will. So I found this craft made, I think, ceiling fan. And it has 5 blades, trimmed oak wood, is a whole fan. Don't mind about the smoke detector hiccuping, because it just does like the hiccup. This is the switch for if you want a light. This is remote operated. So let's turn the switch on and turn it to low. Just saying, the smoke detector will beep in every 30 seconds. So please don't mind about it. This is remote controlled, as you know. Doesn't have any pull chains. But this is really what I call a beautiful fan to buy. It's pretty cool. Okay. So now we go to medium. Whoa, that scared me a bit. Medium's a bit faster. I also like its reverse wood. It works perfectly, and it matches perfectly on it. This is an innovation home, and I'm not gonna, wait, sorry, stand back. There we go. And now, high. Doesn't blow that much air, and it wobbles a little bit. But doesn't wobble as much as it does used to go. It has no light. See, look, see, light. None. And if you turn the switch on, I think it will go even a bit higher. And so, I hope you like my channel, and I've gotten to re-upload some videos, so I'm gonna re-upload videos and make new videos like this one. And to make that happen, I make sure to be cool. So please, I love my channel. So this is turning off, and so while it's turning off, I just want to thank you for subscribing to all my videos. I'm sorry I haven't said that in a while. So, and please keep subscribing, and please like my ceiling fan videos. You can always love them. Subscribe and